That's what I thought at first, but herons on our amazing walk this morning, flying away.
That's where they get the V4 bird from.
Got too close.
That's where they get a V4 bird from. So what's the word on the ground? My dad ain't a cell phone.
Hi Loki, you like your walks?
Yeah.
Look at those clouds up there, they look like musical notes.
Yeah. Those are cool. And over there too.
Yeah, that's it.
This one looks like almost a keyboard or something.
Yeah.
You know what they're missing?
What?
They're missing guitar.
A guitar.
So they can do AC/DC.
Leave it. Leave. Who's good boy? Let's go. Come on, you guys, go. Come on. Come on, let's go. What are you sniffing? Come on, let's go. Nope, let's go. Good girl. How's it going, Matt? Do you like going for walks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Larry, dig it. I know it.
Huh?
I know it.
Open your mouth.
And it's the last time you've seen the grandma.
The grandma got lost in the fog. It is a beautiful morning. Rose, leave.
You know what? Maybe actually one day we'll be under attack by fog.
Fog?
Yeah.
The fog.
Like we'll get lost in the fog.
Maybe.
No.
It's our early morning walk down by the dike. There is Clarissa at the front, Jaden, Rose, and Fenris, who are usually running ahead, but today they caught the smell of something. Then there's Matt,
Foggy and my glasses were getting infected
Me?
by fog.
Loki,
Grandma
Ruku, Brody, and Grandma.
and Clarissa and Jaden and Matt.
See him in there. We like to come and give the dogs a run and the kids some exercise. We walk down the trail for about, I don't know, what, 40 minutes?
Yeah. So we're out here
Or maybe
for
half.
80 minutes.
Maybe a half hour.
They're out here for an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, we go for
I'm
1
gonna
hour
go
walk.
play down in the plaything.
Okay, that's why they're ahead, is because that's where they're going.
I like going there.
Yeah, me too. Well, I don't go there, but not yet anyways. Good morning, Jay.
Oh, in your league.
What are these?
Weeds?
Sleep.
Probably wildflowers at one time, but they're going to go
Right up.
die.
Mom?
Run, Jay.
Mom?
What?
When your leg doesn't hurt anymore, can you go down there maybe?
Yeah, probably.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
You don't have to go
It's a
through
little chillier out, getting colder.
You don't have to go through the weeds.
No. Well, there's a trail, right?
Yeah, there's like a trail in it that me and Kirsten didn't make.
Mm-hmm.
We stomped it down.
Be nice, Rose.
And there's also a bear there.
Rose, nice.
There's also a bear there,
Nice.
Mom, because Mom, when we were going, there was a giant circle.
Yeah. Really nice places along the dike. Would you live down here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
want to look at that house because we live in a park pond.
Yeah, there's one up there too.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
I get my glasses foggy.
Are you getting your
And
glasses
it's getting
foggy?
thicker.
Yeah, it's getting thicker because we're in it now. So you turn around and you see, oh, hey, there's fog everywhere.
Yeah. The day when clouds is half.
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty
feel my
cool.
cheeks, Mom.
they're probably not as cold as my hands.
Oh, I like your hand.
My hands are
Put it
freezing.
in my jacket. Put it in my jacket so it will be warm. Ah, fine.
Can hear the geese, but I can't because I can't see anything. Of course, is training Fenris, and Fenris is like, no.
Hey, we're about to go zicker in it.
Fenris is like, I am not laying down.
We're about to go zicker in it.
Yeah. Ooh, thicker in the fog. Ah!
She's well trained now because before
Huh?
she jumped up on me, but now she's further
I
back.
know, we can't see anything.
Bubby, do you want to run for it with me?
Oh, I don't think you guys should be too far away from us, though. We can't see or hear any wildlife.
See the bench.
You can't even see the bench that's up there.
See the bench.
That's how thick it is. But can we see Grandma behind us?
Yeah.
Yeah? Kinda? Kinda? Oh, wow, yeah. Yeah, we're in the fog now. Just watch those little ones. It's so foggy. It's not always foggy down on the dike. You can hear the ducks and loons and geese. Good morning, sunshine. Are you doing a... Okay, guys, don't go too far ahead. I'm pretty sure Rose will scare off anything. Come on, let's go, boy. Fenris, come. Rose, come on, girl. Good job, buddy. Is it cold? No? It's cold to me. But then again, I'm always cold. You probably got that nice hair in your face, all keeping you warm.
I'll be going for a nice, interesting hot shower.
Yeah. After we shave you. A little later today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look how thick it is. Look all around.
Yeah.
You can't even barely see that house.
Nope.
Which is good because then Rose won't go running after it. Get a surprise of her life with the geese stuff. Today feels like a hot chocolate kind of day.
A what?
Hot chocolate kind of day.
Yeah, it does. That sounds good. I said, that sounds good.
Yeah. Too bad I don't have hot chocolate.
We'll have to buy some. No, leave it. Get out of there. You know, make sure your dogs don't sniff too much poop and eat horse poop.
Come on.
Always be aware of the kids and the dogs and all the people you comes with.
Yeah.
There's some geese or ducks down there. I know there is geese across the water somewhere, but you can't see them. Can't even see where we came from. Good boy, Brode. Good boy.
Mom,
Yeah.
there's a good thing I'm not going to be going down that.
Yeah. It's a good thing. Loki! Not over there, please.
It's too foggy.
I don't know what's in the weeds. In the weeds, not in the water.
Are they killer ducks?
From outer space.
That's just a story.
Is
That's
it though?
real. It's a story that's real.
Is one of them's name Howard?
And Rose, it's not real.
Where is Fen?
Right now.
Oh, I see him.
It's over there. This side.
Yeah. She means that side and not that side. Because he can't swim across that water.
No.
Nor would he want to.
Jaden, let it
He's
go.
not a water dog.
Jaden, let it go right now.
Why?
Because she will attack you for it. Yeah.
Rose is still learning manners.
Yeah. About that.
She doesn't know all the manners. She's
It's
doing
so
really
cool,
good
Jonas
with
is running.
she's doing really good with be nice.
Yeah, baby. Hi. Where's a good puppy, huh?
What's better?
He's like, there's stuff. Oh, there's the geese. I knew I heard them.
Mm-hmm. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Where are you? Wait. I had it zoomed in.
What's better? Is something scare you?
Everything. It's foggy.
How come you're wet?
Because the dew is wet, Mama. What?
Jaden's trying to play tug of war with Rose.
Jaden. How's that going? Jaden, you look like you're winning. Jaden, you look like you're winning.
I think she won.
Jaden, did she take it? You got this, Jay. You go. Thank you.
Or did you?
You flashed it out in the universe, and now you know. Now
Rosa
you
said,
don't
oh,
have
you
it
got me a
anymore.
stick? Nice. But look, I'm sitting nicely.
Why would you do that? I don't want you to have this, but I'm going to show it to you.
She's going to get it from you.
She's going to push you in the water.
No, don't.
Meditating, nice. What a great place to meditate. Still so foggy.
There's two types of people. Ones that meditate, keep things calm. And the other one who disturbs everything.
Yeah. I don't think that's meditating. I think that's disturbing. The opposite of meditating.
Either that or you're summoning a bunch of crowds.
The sunrise is pretty.
I think this might actually be a nice, interesting, good day.
It will be, or it is already. One of the two. Are you guys ready? Oh, he's a good boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, good boy.
What do you got? What did you find? Ow! You too, I know, right? This is what I found. Bonk. Yeah, good luck with that.
Bring it up this way. See how far you can get, Loke. See how far you can get up here. See how far you can come up here.
I have 0 hands. Could you put in my thumb right now? Thank you.
No, up this way. Walk this way. Just keep walking.
I can't do it.
Okay. If you want her to stop, you got to get her to sit.
Row. Sit. Row. Sit.
Good girl.
There she comes, Jay. There she comes.
You thought you could make it all the way up the hill.
She tried. She got halfway.
Jump across. Look.
Here you go.
No. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can do that.
Hey.
Good job. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, Loke. Jaden, just leave the stick. Come on. Who? Oh. And Fenn's like, what's going on?
That was
Matt, go that way so that they don't knock you over with the stick. Come on, buddy.
Be picking up a flower.
No, you don't have to pick up flowers, babe.
I just gave one to Kosa.
I know. I saw. Okay, come on, guys. The ducks flying by. Oh, look at that picture. Beautiful. Beautiful. If people want to see more of us,
Then like, subscribe, and share. Have a
comment if you think the dog or a wolf.
At what?
Also comment below.
Oh, and leave a comment below if you think our dog is a wolf. That's a good one.